We like to consider ourselves sophisticated about our intelligence and advancements. However, we thought we knew everything about the solar system until in January 2015, the concept of a massive planet, which is thought to orbit the Sun further than Pluto, emerged. Scientists noticed that something bizarre was causing chaos in the outskirts of the solar system. A supposed mysterious celestial body was influencing the orbits of several planets in the Kuiper belt. This mysterious space object was named Planet 9, or if you believe that Pluto is a planet, you can call it Planet 10. This new planet is around 10 times heavier than Earth, which is why it must have had enormous gravitational effect on the outer planets. Because Planet 9 is so unbelievably far from the Sun, it is most likely covered with thick sheets of ice, and therefore be classified as an ice giant. Terrestrial planets are balls of rock, and they can grow only up until their limit, which is why if Earth were the size of Jupiter, not only will it be uninhabitable, but it would become a gas giant. But ice giants are different. Their stupid cold temperatures can either freeze the gases, and therefore have a rocky surface, or it is because they do not have such an impressive scale such as Jupiter or Saturn. Because of Planet 9's massive orbit, a single year would last up to 10,000 to 20,000 Earth years, as it takes a very long time for it to orbit the Sun. Obviously, scientists cannot be sure of the existence of this planet until they see it for themselves, but their proof is extremely convincing, because if Planet 9 did not exist, what would be making the planets beyond Neptune be acting so weirdly? There are other space objects that can have enormous gravitational impacts on other objects, such as a black hole. Astronomers have divided all types of known black holes into 3 categories: supermassive, intermediate, and stellar black holes. The nearest supermassive black hole to our planet is in the center of our galaxy, is called Sagittarius A, and the entire galaxy orbits around it. However, there is possibly another type called primordial black holes that are thought to have existed ever since the Big Bang occurred. To clarify, these black holes are ancient and are extremely small compared to the other types of black holes. Like I mentioned just a second ago, astronomers believe that primordial black holes appeared a few milliseconds after the universe's birth, and that they have observed the entire history of the universe. At that moment in time, there were no galaxies or stars, but the first neutrons and protons only just emerged. But how did primordial black holes form, you may be asking? Well, at the time of the universe's birth, some regions were denser and some less dense. Therefore, many scientists believe that some of the denser regions collapsed into primordial black holes. Anyways, most scientists are still skeptical about the fact that a massive planet is influencing many small planet orbits, and a primordial black hole would make much more sense because it is more realistic for them to affect orbits. And obviously it would be a bit harder to spot the primordial black hole, because black holes sometimes tend to look like they camouflage in their cosmic environment. I hope you enjoyed. See you next video. Bye.